All right, so this hat I have had for quite some time now, and I wear it very often because when I grow out my hair and it gets this long, it's hard to brush, so I just don't. But then sometimes I don't want it in my face, so I'll just pull it back, and boom, problem solved. But a consequence of having and using it for so long is that it breaks. You can see like it cracks and stuff. Now, I could just tape it, but that's boring. What is fun is using a soldering gun. Now I know soldering guns are meant to use metal, are meant to be used on metal, but I thought, well, plastic's easy to melt, so why not just melt the plastic together, see how that works. So yeah. I haven't done this before, so I'm curious to see. I've used the soldering gun once before, but that's it. I have gloves here. Didn't put these here, they were just here. So yeah, now I just wait for the gun to heat up, and then once it does, I will solder my hat back together. All right, I can smell stuff now. So I think that's a pretty good indication. So I got a piece of wood here. If I just... Okay, bad example. The point is... Yeah, there you go. So I think we're ready. All right, here we go. It's up here. Here's the hat. This smell is overwhelming. Okay. So there it is. Don't know. I'm gonna be able to make a good camera angle out of this, but okay. So let's try. Just actually, you know what? Don't know if this will help or not. It should. It's a pretty thick glove. There we go. I am too scared of things. All right, there we go. Oh, yep, there we go. Okay. I think that's good. The piece get on my finger now. Seems sturdy enough. This wasn't meant to be like super or anything. There we go. Oh gosh, oh, just the last two. Wow. I wonder if this will even work. In theory, it should, but I feel like there's some common sense I'm not thinking about that just makes this whole idea topple. All right. I think that's good. I guess we'll let that cool and then test it out later. Nice. Okay, so got my hat now. So this is what the soldering, I can make it focus on this. It's kind of hard to see, but that is what came of the soldering. There are still cracks there, so I did not do this perfectly, which I guess makes sense, but these ones down here, pretty fixed and they feel rigid. I don't want to go on them too much because, you know, this is soft plastic. Okay, so here we go. Let's test to see how well this works. Ooh, okay. So yeah, the two end ones didn't solder well, so I might have to redo those if this even works permanently. But, you know, keeps the hat on. I'm all good. Now, the question is, can I just rip it off without anything happening? Yes, seems so. Okay, so I think this was pretty successful. If it breaks again, then I'll just use tape, you know? It's the simplest option. But yeah, there you go. Soldered my hat back together. Works pretty well. Should I have been doing that without supervision? Probably not, but who cares, because I didn't die or get burned. So I count that as a win. Anyways, that's it.